Okay, so this is the button to go through the different driving modes from Eco, Comfort, Sport and Individual. And then you have this driving, these pedals on the steering wheel. And there you can set the force for the regenerative braking. So D minus is the most powerful position. So then you can do one pedal driving, and then D plus is the least powerful position, and then you can almost feel no resistance. Hi guys, so this is the end of my test drive, and I thought I would share some quick facts about it with you regarding the consumption and the range. The total length of the test drive was 303 kilometers, of which 220 kilometers on the highway and about 80 kilometers in the city and on country roads. Average consumption during my test drive was 19.8 kilowatt hours. At the end of the test drive, there was 8% left in the battery. So the total range that I got out of one battery charge was the 303 kilometers of the test drive plus 29 kilometers of range left, which amounts to a total range of 332 kilometers. I will make a separate, more in-depth video where I split test the range on the highway at higher average speeds and in the city at lower average speeds. I will also test how long it takes to charge the battery from 0 to 100%. Another video that is coming up is the full night drive video, where I also demo the exterior lights and all of the colors of the ambient lighting. Please subscribe if you want to be notified about these videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you the next time.